Have you heard this audio track? It's a real motivational bomb, and think no human wrote it, and I didn't pay a penny to have it like I did thanks to artificial intelligence in just 10 seconds. If you are interested in seeing how it is done, keep watching the video made by this fantastic platform called MusicCreator.ai. But it changes the rules of the game, because you do not have to be a professional musician or have studied music, but just a correct prompt manage to generate all the audio tracks you want, and especially without copyright, ever more problems than on YouTube. VI are blocked videos or on other platforms because you do not have copyright. That's enough. Now you can create all the soundtracks you want, and I'll show you how easy it is to do that. First, click on the link that I leave you in the description of the video and access the platform. Simply log in with a Google or Discord account. And I leave you a little technical note. Initial preferences are required. Select Content Creator to optimize the software's algorithm towards creating background music that attracts the audience's attention, rather than complex music that creates disinterest. But let's continue on the platform. On the central part of the platform of the homepage, we have the boxes where we will enter our prompt that will allow us to create the audio track. On the bottom, you have various styles to select from, like birthday music, I Meet Generation, photo music, say. We have a series of tools at the top. We also have other types of generation. So let's start right away with inserting the clowns into the software. I have prepared one made with a... Personally, we say you can use your prompt generated with any artificial intelligence model, or you can ask the platform what we say, what do you want? I recommend you insert a prompt in order to obtain a fairly optimal use result. Here I go inside the box. And I'm going to paste my prompt. Or you can use this tool to, let's say, create it by the software, but I wanted to use a super personalized experience to premise in description. I will leave you this prompt to be able to use at your pleasure, or modify if you want to make changes, plus 2 other prompts that will allow you to just DIE generate audio tracks, test the program. Then you are free to use yours. Click on Create Music Now. The program is in the platform in English, but you can also use the browser tool to translate. And we immediately find ourselves in this screen when the viral trick is to pay close attention to the structure of the prompt that you insert, because if it is not correct, the results that we say you will have at the output will not be pleasant. And then after, it is not the fault of the software, but of the prompt that has been inserted, in fact, in the description. I will leave you a structure of the winning prompt that if you follow this structure, now you will not fail and you will create spectacular prompts. You see here the prompt that I inserted here reappears at the top. There is this switch that is practically used to set it to instrumental only. For the soundtrack I created at the beginning, I didn't want voice, and I don't want voice for that either. So switch this button on, and then here you can choose enter the various settings, like the genre. As you can see, hip hop, jazz, all the genre you want. Doesn't die. If you want it sad, angry, aggressive, then you can choose the instrument and you can choose. The setting these tools are at your liking or you specify it within the prompt. Here it is about doing some, let's say, tests to understand what result you want to have. In fact, if you have usually once generated the prompt, he creates two tracks precisely to make you choose two options. If you do not like any of the two, you do not need to change all the prompt, but go to act on these settings. At the bottom here is an idea generator that I repeat. If you do not want to use your prompt, you can use ideas that the platform generates. Or you have another option. You can put a photo and turn it into music, telling the story of the photo with a soundtrack, which is very, very nice. Or you can create a super personalized happy birthday song using this tool that will ask you questions and create your own track. After, what is there to say? If you want to create a song with lyrics, do not switch to one. Click on own lyrics and insert your custom lyrics. Case, I'm not going to insert any settings precisely because what I want I have already inserted in the promo, so it wouldn't make sense. Then if I want to change something, I go AA, enter the settings. After that, all you need to do is click on generate music. And as you can see on the side, the magic of generation begins. As you can see, it also gives me a title of the, let's say, my track created from nothing, and gives me the two options. These here below are those of the soundtrack that I showed you in the intro of the video. When it will have finished, let's say generate the music. As you see here, we have the download button, or we have the ability to edit or remix or finish the generation. As you see, here are the two tracks. Here you have the play symbol, or here on the thumbnail, or at the bottom by clicking on it. Will the track start? This is the first result I got. As you can see, this is a horror movie. Then I repeat, you can customize it as you want. Not all of them will be changed, so you put the prompts you want, while this is the second track. They are similar, but looking at all the various tones, the various tools used, doing a detailed and professional analysis, it's not like that. But I repeat, I invite you to test all the genres of music you want to make your soundtrack, your musical piece. You can go with the mouse. here at the top right, and you will see this icon to download the song. After that, you have three options: download it with MP3 WAV format or by paying a special plan that you have various available as a commercial license. What does that entail? Yes, you have to pay, let's say, the business plan, but you have full rights to that song. So it means you can monetize the song. Let me give you an example. Put it online. In any platform, any creator who will use your song will have to pay you full copyright because the song you created. So monetization. Or you can go to this text here, remix edit, click on it, and also here you can, let's say, make some changes on your song type on cover. If we click on cover, you can change the title of your song and put a custom title. You can spread the song. You can move, let's say, the voice from the song or improve it with the eye, or you can say perform. Excuse me, is he gone? Here, you can make settings at the mixer level of the song, then adjust the treble, the bass, make all the adjustments. This is very professional, my friends. It's just one of the many options that this platform offers, because as you can see here on the left side, you have the whole sidebar with the various tools based all the questions on artificial intelligence that will allow you to do amazing things. For example, you can generate text with AI, voice removal, star separator, or you have that, as I said before, adjust you, and it makes many adjustments to your song. You can generate a song voice. You can generate covers for your songs. You can burn your music using artificial intelligence. Do you have a MIDI editor included within the platform? You have a converter that, let's say, you can allows you to convert audio from DAI to MIDI format. Fantastic. After this tutorial, what are you waiting for? Run on this platform. Click on the link that I leave you in the description and let off steam your imagination and start to create all the songs you want. And maybe why not make a job, start creating songs to monetize and become a musician manager. Then let me know in the comments what you are using this platform for. If for your activity, if for hobby use, or if 6-1 professional of the sector and you use it for your activity. And I recommend, if not, if you have not already done, click on the bell and follow button to always receive the latest updates on my channel. See you in the next tutorial. Hello.